Welcome to this explainer. Let's dive into that agonizing cycle of separating, reconnecting for a weekend, then instantly rebuilding walls. But hey, it isn't hopeless. It just means you're using the totally wrong tool for the right problem. You see, you're trying to use logic to fix a biological issue. This is deep mammalian distress. Think about it. Using pure logic during emotional panic is literally like fighting a grease fire with water. So this biological mismatch leads to three massive mistakes that are absolutely sabotaging your chances at a reunion. First up, logic fails. You can't just think your way back into trust. Your nervous system only reads behavior. Second, skip into problem-solving forces your partner into a happy future while their body is trapped in the past. Third is what we call fiat love. It's empty emotional currency printed without the backing of real behavioral change. To actually reconnect, you're basically reintroducing two nervous systems that just learned how to function completely on their own. So to succeed, you've got to strictly follow this 4-stage clinical protocol. Skipping even one step basically guarantees failure. Stage 1 demands dozens of boring, predictable interactions. You're slowly teaching their nervous system that you aren't a threat. Now, stage 2 is fascinating. Instead of cataloging all their flaws, you actually have to turn the flashlight inward. You got to shift from arguing narratives to acknowledging physical distress. This completely flips the script and builds real connection. Stage 3 introduces a drone's eye view. You must protect the third chair representing the relationship itself. Basically, you shift from being adversaries across the table into allies, fighting a common threat to your connection. Stage 4 finally rebuilds trust using a strict proof of work protocol that your nervous system desperately craves. Love is action. This means choosing verifiable actions over aspirational talk. You show up on time month after month with zero shortcuts. Meaningful reconciliation usually takes 12 to 24 months of active, intentional work, ideally with targeted professional support. I know that timeline sounds intimidating, but it's actually a gift. It gives you runway to build earned security. Crucially, though, pause this process if there's active abuse, addiction, or unilateral effort. Individual therapy absolutely has to come first. But if you're ready, here's a strict framework for the first 30 days to slowly reintroduce that biological safety. The biology is clear. So are you willing to sit in the discomfort of not knowing and do the work? If you want to work on this for real, try Figlet, my AI relationship coaching app. You can start for free, no credit card needed, at figlet.empathy.com.